Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm working on the husband. I'm using him as a practice person because I don't have a client at this time and I need to put my practice in. So he volunteered and I'm super happy to be doing his set today. The first thing I'm doing is coming in with a bleed of clear acrylic to level out my nails, and it's also for a design change in future. If you ever decide to change your nails, you can use this layer to file back to, and then you can start the new set from there. But for the husband purpose, it's just to smooth out the nails. Anywho, you like my accent? Because I just came up with it and I thought it was fantastic. But if you don't like it, comment in the comment section below so I can stop it right now. Anywho, I'm coming in with I think this is called Fiona. Yes. Yes, there it is. Fiona. This is Fiona from my Glam and Glitz collection. And I love the brilliant red color that it gives off. It is fantastic. And this glitter, I got it from Milagros Mendez. I will leave her link for her videos and her channel in my description below. Go ahead and support because she's an amazing lady. She sent me these beautiful glitters a while ago and I've been using them ever since. She didn't put a name on them, so I can call them whatever I want. So I'm gonna call this Red Passion, baby. Red Passion. Yes. Anywho, I'm just doing a little ombre with the Red Passion. After I faded down Fiona at the base, I'm using Red Passion, and then I'm going to be going ahead and encapsulating my design in a clear base. And this clear is my Mia Secret clear, and you just want to work this bead over the entire nail because this is a pigmented powder, and I like to encapsulate all my pigmented powders, colored acrylics in clear because I don't know, I don't trust the strength of them because they are easily broken. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate them in clear. And that's it. Pinky is done. Da 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 da. Pinky done. Oh, may I put more? Oh, my bad. Well, I thought it was done. Why I couldn't do the little celebration and it wasn't over yet. It's like pre-celebration. Anywho, I'm moving on to the ring finger. Yes, and I'm doing a little wash of the red, the Fiona. Yes, on this nail, and I'm going to be using this finger is going to be a full finger of glitter, so that's why I use the wash in the background so it doesn't look messy, and it ties in with the set and keeps it all together. As you can see, I think I did these nails for Valentine's Day, but I never got to edit the videos. I've been very busy and just all over the place, so I'm trying to get my life back together, and I had to just finish this video, and it's so cute. I can wear it any time of year. I think you should love yourself every day. Self-love is key, and that's from my girl Kiana, and I will leave a link for her channel in the description below as well. Go and follow her. She's amazing. She's an amazing yoga instructor. Instruct you in every stance you can do, tree pose, all the poses. She can make you pose on top of your head, people. She is bomb.com. Okay. Anyway, let me go ahead and finish this one up. Encapsulating it in clear, and boom, it should be done. But if it's not, okay, it's not. As I said before, pre-celebration for nothing. Pre-celebration for nothing. I'm still going at it. But my husband is such a champ for doing this for me. Isn't he amazing, guys? Yes, it's so nice to have somebody like my hubby, my son, my brother, my daughter, my littlest one, my baby. Yeah, I practice on all of my family. So don't you dare use that as an excuse that you don't have anyone. Unless you don't have any kids. If you have a cat, they have paws. Practice on their claws. Hey, hello. Anyways, I'm going to be doing an ombre on this one as well. But I'm going to be using the pink from Young Nails to do the the cuticle area, because he was like, so can I get a little bit of something different? So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna break up the red and come in with something a little softer, a little more, fabulous and sexy, but not too deep and strong, because he wanted to be a little more dainty. So we had to go ahead and use the pink. So I'm just trying to make the little glitter, at the tip into a nice fade, so that when I put the pink over it, it doesn't look crazy. It just blends in really nicely and, give you a gorgeous look. So that's what I put the glitter on top, and now I'm coming in with the pink from Young Nails, and I love this pink. It has a really, really nice, it's really nice to do ombres because it really is very pigmented and it gives you a nice cover, especially if you have dark nail beds like myself. It really is amazing to use. So after I finish fading that down the nail, I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate it in clear as well. And if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell as well, and don't forget to give me a like and a like, and give me some comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you would like to see. And if you think I'm doing better in my nail journey, or I'm still at the beginning, and if I should give up. Sometimes I really feel like I am not getting where I need to be, because I will do the nails and then I will have lifting. I have people saying their nails pop off, and I just feel, oh my God, like, wow, I've tried everything, guys. If you have any suggestions on what I should be doing, I prep the nails, I go ahead and I sand the nails off, I do them the right way, and then, I hear that, there's a nail that fell off, or they had some problems with their nails, and it just really makes me disheartened. So if there's any suggestions that you can make, please don't hesitate to comment it in the comment section below, because I'm really having a lot of problems, and I would just like to change all that and, be better, be a better nail tech. That's why I really want to get to school, so they can see my work and see what I'm doing wrong, and, try to let me know where I go wrong and where I should improve on, because learning and seeing and watching and trying is a different thing from actually having someone in the room telling you what you are doing wrong, what you need to do better, and what you need to improve upon. So that's really the reason why I want to be in a room with a person who has the experience of teaching this craft that I love so much, and get my stuff together, because I want to be that nail tech one day. I want to be that person who just does nails and they stay on until they grow out to your tips, and you're like, this stuff is never gonna come off. That's who I want to be. I don't want to be that for one or two persons. I want to be that for everyone. So as you can see on the thumb, I'm doing it as the middle finger. I'm using the same Young Nails pink, and I'm using passion red. That's what I called it earlier. I don't even remember. I just gave it the name and it gone already. I forgot. If I've forgotten, I will leave the name of this glitter in the description below, because I've forgotten what I'm calling it already. But I'm doing that beautiful ombre, and I'm going to go ahead and encapsulate the glitters in a layer of clear, and the clear that I'm using is from Mia's Secret, and I will leave a link for the Mia Secret clear in the description below, and all the channels that I've mentioned. Please go and support, show your love, because us YouTubers are really putting our all into our work, and we would really appreciate it if you guys just come on and give us the love and support that we need, because we are using our talents and what we know, and we are trying to build ourselves as human beings. And it's really rough enough to try to figure out your craft without people disrespecting you and treating you like you're stupid. It's really bad. So do not give the thumbs down. They are hurtful. When you see those on your videos, you really already feel like a failure if you have problems with your work, and then you see a thumbs down, it makes you even more disheartened. So here goes my client. So I'm going to stop right now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will get back to you in my next video. Remember to be fly like Regina Nails Be Fly. Bye guys.